Hi guys. What if I said everything can change for you when you learn a simple philosophy? It's so common today for people to become comfortably complacent or one-track minded when it comes to business. Wouldn't you agree? And here it is. Learn to work harder on yourself, but not harder at your job or business. Say to yourself every day, if I work harder at my job, I can make a decent living. But if I work harder on myself, I can make a great fortune. Everyone knows if you work hard at your job, it will all work out for you fine at the end of the day. But nothing ever seems to change very much, does it? This is why you need to start now working harder on yourself to succeed. Did you know that success is something you attract, not something one pursues? All you need to do is become mindfully attractive. And guess what? You can have more than you ever had because you can become more than you ever were. That's right. The key to success is working hard on yourself by simply empowering a positive mental attitude to your everyday thoughts to become a positive person. You can start by trying to better enhance your temperament, your personality, mindset, and most importantly, your communication skills. Try it with your friends and customers. Take successful proven communication sales techniques that work well and implement them into your business. Put what you have learnt in writing down notes and practice it well every day so it becomes like second nature to you. And then you can present it to your carpet cleaning customers. So remember, every morning when you first look at yourself in the mirror, I want you to tell yourself, I'm a powerful person with a positive mental attitude. Empower your thoughts on a daily basis. And watch how your business enthusiasm and productivity increases dramatically. So first, succeed in yourself, and in turn you can bulletproof your carpet cleaning business.